Get ready! You've seen robots walk, you've seen them talk, but have you seen them battle on the dance floor? Today, two titans of humanoid tech are about to throw down. It's Tesla's groundbreaking Optimus squaring off against Unitree's agile G1. They've both learned to dance, but who's got the moves that will absolutely blow your mind? Stick around, because it's about to get electrifying. First up, hailing from the innovators at Tesla, powered by world-class AI, it's Optimus. This bot isn't just about brains. It's got surprisingly smooth, almost human-like grace. And in the other corner, the challenger from Unitree, known for its incredible agility, meet G1. This bot is like a parkour athlete mixed with a contortionist, ready to unleash some serious moves. So, you're probably wondering, how on earth do these metal marvels pull off these insane dance routines? It's not magic, it's some seriously mega tech. Take Optimus. It's powered by that super smart Tesla AI. Think of the brain from their self-driving cars, but for walking and, well, waltzing. It sees the world through its cameras and uses 40 powerful electric muscles called actuators to move with that incredible precision. It's like a dance pro that studies every single step until it's perfect.
Way more coordinated than I am after my morning coffee, that's for sure. Then you've got G1, the robot ninja. This bot is all about flexibility, with up to 43 different degrees of freedom. That's like having extra bendy joints everywhere. It learns by watching humans, or even by practicing millions of times in virtual worlds before trying it for real. Plus, it uses actual lasers and depth cameras to feel out its dance space. How cool is that? But here's the thing. All the fancy tech in the universe doesn't mean a thing if you can't deliver on that dance floor. So, who's really bringing the heat? All right, folks, buckle up. The dance battle commences now. Optimus kicks things off, gliding across the floor with that signature Tesla smoothness. Look at that balance, that control. It's like watching liquid metal move. But wait, here comes G1, exploding with energy. Unbelievable flexibility. Did that robot just do a great dance move? My joints ache just watching that. Optimus counters with those intricate hand gestures. That's the 22 degrees of freedom in each hand talking, folks. Precision personified. G1 isn't holding back. Look at those sharp poses, those dynamic kicks. It's like a martial arts movie come to life, but with more circuits. It's like comparing a world-class ballet dancer to a street dance champion. Both incredible, but so different.
This is intense. The crowd would be going wild. Who are you rooting for? Drop a comment. Let us know whose style is winning you over. Okay, let's hit pause on the battle for a sec. Dancing robots are undeniably awesome. But what's the bigger picture here? Why does it even matter? Well, think about it. If these robots can master something as complex and nuanced as human dance, imagine what else they'll be capable of. Helping us out with everyday tasks, revolutionizing industries, creating entirely new forms of art, or maybe just making our future a whole lot more entertaining and, well, danceable. What a showdown, people! Both Tesla's Optimus and Unitree's G1 have proven they're not just smart, they've got serious rhythm. Absolutely incredible stuff. But, as always, the ultimate judge is you. Which robot truly owned that dance floor today? Was it Optimus's super smooth, precise style, or G1's wild, acrobatic moves? Head down to the comments right now and let us know your winner. And hey, if you loved this Robot Rumble, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe for more mind-blowing tech, and share this video with a friend who needs to see robots get down. Until next time, stay curious and keep dancing.